guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's me again. So we are going to play with the quick card kit Thinking of You. Here, let's open it up now. So for this set here, I'd like to use this one. So I'm going to play with that for this one.
So here are the papers. And here's the back. And then there's more papers here in 3 different prints. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then the base card. So that's
For the first one, I'd like to make this part here, sorry you're sick. And then we have this. And this time, I think I want to play, the Tiny Shapes is already retired, so I'm gonna go with this.
so for the papers on this is what we have for the first paper. Can you see it? And then the second part, or the back part of that paper. And then we have this. And finally, the card base.
Then on this third card, I want to create this. Oh, darn. I didn't realize. I should have known. They actually, this card here was the second card, and that's the back side. Oh my goodness, Marissa. I totally forgot about the back side of the cards. So, this was the first card. This is the second card. Third card. Okay, so we're making that one.
And then this is the paper. There's only basically there's about 3.5 if you will, if we're going to include the cover page. So there's this, what is this, the second and a half? There's the other one. And then finally the card base. Okay? So that's it.
Third. This is the fourth. I think I'm going to go this time with this because I've always been working on the brackets. Okay, so this is what we're going to do.
And then this is the back side of the card cover. Here are the papers. 8 times. Oh, this is the one that we're going to use to cut out. And then the card base. Okay?
And then this is the last set. So we're creating 5 cards today. So I think I want to do this one. Okay, let's do this one.
And then the back part. They're kind of like confetti, yes, always. I like that sentiment. Oopsie. Sorry, making lots of boo-boos here. Sending sunshine. And then the card base.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, pull all the templates, cut them out, and then ink them, and then I'll come back when I'm ready to put the cards together. Okay? Hey guys, I'm back. So here's the first card. Just a reminder, this is the card I'm going to make, and that's the back part of the card. And these are the templates that I'm using. We have here bracket 3T. Then we have Blissful 3B. And we also have Blissful 1A. And here are the cutouts. I just cut a 1/2-inch strip there, and here are the cutouts. These are the extras. So basically we can make maybe 1 or 2 more cards, including the back part of that card front. And I'm pulling the card here so I can use it as a base, or rather a cheat sheet. So here I'm going to adhere the borders now, the card borders. So yeah, I speed up this video for like about 2 times, just so you know we don't have to make this video longer. So here I am creating it now and skewing the sentiment a bit, and now to put on the strip of the card and covering on all the seams, and there you go. That's the first card. Now going on to the second card. That's the card that I'm going to create. And here are the templates that we're using, starting off with Springtime 2T, the bird. And then we have Blissful 3A. And then we have Brackets 2T and Breezy 1A. So there's the bird cutout and the bracket and the borders. These are the extras that we have, including the back side of this card. And here we are starting to create the card. So I'm using the orange instead of the green side of the card base. So let's get this started. So I am lining up the left side of the border, and that's how I figure out if they're centered or not. Then we're laying down the bracket on top, skewing it, and then covering it a bit with a breezy border over there. And whatever is left open there, I'm covering it with the bird cutout. So there you go. And then I'm taking my gel pen here and creating or making the bird eye. There you go. There's our second card. Now on to the third card. And remember, we're going to be working on this layout. So here are the templates that we're going to use. We're going to use Celebrate 5T. Then we're going to use Sentiments A border, card border. Then we have Explore 6T. We have Adorn 1A. And finally, we have Sentiments 2B. And these are the cutouts. Notice that on the 6A, I did not cut the whole flower. And these are our leftovers for maybe one or two cards. So let's start the card now. I'm starting with the first border to go on the bottom. Again, aligning it on the left side of the card. And then this Adorn border, you'll see I'm not going to tack it down yet because I'm going to insert this Explore 6T. And as I've said earlier, I did not cut the whole thing. And if you notice, I also didn't tack it down because I wanted to wait for the cloud sentiment to be tacked down. And there you go, guys. Third card. Okay, guys, this is the card that we're going to make, and I'm going to use the gray side and not the orange side. And now to the templates. This is Sincerely 1A, and we have Sincerely 1B. These are the extra papers, and of course the back side of the card the card. And again, the card base color that I'm using is gray and not the orange side. I made a mistake here earlier, so I just had to remove everything. And you see that little scar on the card? Don't worry about it. We're going to cover it up. And I did not have any strips. So I just cut it by 2 inches. I just cut this paper in 2 inches, like the instruction said. And then I cut this paper here that I'm adhering half an inch, and I'm adhering to it to a 1 inch strip. So I'm just lining it up here and tacking it on, and this card is done. There you go, guys. So that's our fourth card. Now to our fifth and final card. So looking at the templates, this is Explore 6T. We have Sentiments 2A. Then we have sentiments to be. And then, of course, these are the cutouts. Again, I don't have the strip. It just asked me to cut that sentiment into a 2-incher, and those are the extras I'm putting on the side. There you go, it's an extra. And then I'm using the card base yellow as is on the card sample. And I'm adhering from the top down. I'm just looking at how the orientation is and how the borders were put down. So I'm putting the second border, not totally tacking it down again, because I have to sneak in this floral or 6T. There you go. I just have to add a little bit of adhesive there. And then we're adding the sentiment. This is a 2-inch strip that I told you about. Now, look at this orange one. I took it out of the back of the base because it shows a green a sample flower there, but I could not find any green, and the one that I found was only 1/2 inch. So I just took this orange one from the back of the card cover. And there you go, guys. Last card. There you go. I hope you like all these cards that we made. 5 cards today, guys. Please thumbs up if you like it. Share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye.